Because your mind is going to say, well, what happens if I lose this trade? And then the next trade. And then the next trade. And then your mind is going to say, what confidence do I have that I'm not going to lose the next one and the next one and the next one and next and on and on and on and on. And then what happens is you freeze. And you've frozen because you've gone in a cycle that, let me just erase all this. You've gone in a cycle that is see the trade, recognize the opportunity, but then question the results. This is the area that you've got to work on. And again, this is all stuff we're going to be talking about at the live event. This is very, very advanced and important stuff. And this is let me make this very clear. This is bad. Okay? When you see the trade, when you recognize the opportunity, but then you question the results, that's when you freeze. Now, why are we questioning the results? Let's talk about that. Okay, when you question the results, what it really boils down to is you don't understand the risk. How much can I lose? How much can I lose? If you don't have an answer for that, what's your brain going to tell you? Everything. Your brain is going to tell you, well, man, I could lose everything. And here's the important word. How much can I lose? Do you see how this is open-ended? This is in sales, this would be called an open-ended question. Now, of course, the other area where you can get in trouble is if you're only thinking, how much can I make? Because you think, how much can I make? You're going to, say millions. Well, I can make millions and millions of dollars. Okay, but let me not get distracted. How much can I lose? Your brain is going to tell you, I can lose every single penny. And if you've done that in the past, if you've had a catastrophic loss in the past where your trading account got closed down, then you actually have evidence, and your brain is going to say, see, here, I told you, we can lose everything. So what's the antidote? It's like, you've taken some poison and you need to be cured. You need an antidote. What is that antidote? Well, the antidote is understanding. You need to understand what it is that you're risking and what it is that you're doing. And part of what we're going to do that's very, very important at the live event is actually go through some of these examples where you can gain the understanding. So we'll talk about risk per trade and also risk on a string of trades. Because there is a risk associated with every single trade, but then there's the risk of a bunch of trades in a row. And it's important that you understand what that risk is. So if, getting back to the original question, okay, and I've gone on for 12 minutes on one question, but this is probably the most important concept that you will ever get as a trader. Because once you have an understanding, you'll have a better idea over the long term of what you're risking. So let's talk about the market here. Okay, you can see the market spiked up. Let me get the cursor on here. Okay, so we have this is a wide range bar with big volume. And what do we expect when we see that? We expect a reversal. So what are we looking for? Well, we're looking for the next